It's Thursday the 23rd of October. My name is David Papier. This is the ETX Capital Morning Market Bite. US stocks erased earlier gains to close a lot lower on Wednesday as a shooting at the Canadian Parliament unnerved investors. Boeing and Biogen released their results and sold off, and energy stocks also fell with weak oil prices. UK consumer confidence rose 0.1% in September as energy costs fell broadly, painting a weak inflation picture that could give the Federal Reserve room to keep interest rates low. Dow closed down 153 points at 16,461. The S&P closed down 14 points at 1927. The dollar edged up about 0.1% against the yen to 107.20, so far eking out about 0.2% gain versus the Japanese currency this week. The euro stood little changed at 12645, within reach of a one-week low of 1.2637 hit overnight, and the pound was down 0.1% at 1.6044 after hitting a one-week trough of 1.6012 the previous session. In commodities, US crude futures slipped in Asia, extending a 2.8% fall on Wednesday to trade at about $80 a barrel, near a two-year low of $79.78 hit last week. Within the equity space, it's further woe for Tesco. Britain's biggest grocer has reported a larger than expected hole in its accounts this morning. The stock was down about 7%. It's now trading at about 173, down about 5.2%. Anglo American's up about 2% as well after the mining company lifted its full-year iron ore production. Today we see the release of UK retail sales at 9:30 a.m. The figures are 2.8% versus 4% previous, and we also see at 1:30 the US jobless claims where the figure is 282 expected versus 264 previous. Hopefully another indication that the global slowdown isn't as bad as first thought. My name is David Papier. That was the Morning Market Bite. Thank you.